Today I'll be addressing how to inspect and replace your ambient brightness sensor cover in your Carmanah beacon system.
Locate the ambient brightness sensor cover on the top of your solar engine or cabinet. Based on the age and type of system, your cover and location may vary. Some systems may have two covers, signifying the system has two controllers inside. This video will focus on systems that have a clear adhesive cover. Newer systems will have a sight glass or polycarbonate cover. Perform a visual inspection on the clear adhesive cover. It should be free of cracks or holes that may allow water ingress into the system. If the cover is damaged or too weathered, it can be replaced with the newer polycarbonate version as a drop-in replacement. We recommend moving to this style of cover as a preventative measure when performing annual maintenance or battery replacements. Contact Carmanah or your local distributor for purchasing these replacements. To replace the cover, follow these steps. Use a scraper to remove the old adhesive clear window, starting from a corner. Use a shallow angle on the scraper to avoid damaging the metal surface. Clean off the residual adhesive using isopropyl alcohol and a non-shedding wipe. Ensure the gasket is seated properly in the new cover. Align the cover with the hole and snap it in place by pressing down firmly. Ensure the cover is pushed down until the outer rim contacts the housing surface. Check that the cover is sitting parallel to the housing top surface after releasing it. For more videos and information, please visit us at support.carmanah.com.